day trip Dave and Captain Adventure, running, camping, having fun. It's day trip Dave and Captain Adventure, they won't stop till they are done. They once were wandering, now they're pondering, doing their best is all they can. It's day trip Dave and Captain Adventure, it's all part of the master's plan. Being a team has been a dream, coming together to get things done. It's day trip Dave and Captain Adventure, how could you guys be so much fun?
Alright, day trip Dave, I'm going to teach you all about nature. We're going to go on a nature walk.
Sweet! I love nature.
Alright, like that over there, that's a duck. You know how it's a duck? It quacks. That's how you know it's a duck.
You sure about that?
Oh, 100%, my guy. This over here, this is what you call a tree.
Yeah.
Scientific name for this guy, Thornicus maximus.
Sure it is.
Oh, it is. And is there anything else you wanna know about?
Well, actually, I was wondering.
Whoa! There's a squat. There's a squat.